What's up, guys? These particular Post-it notes. They've been around for a while, the actual brand Post-it. And again, this is just perfect for quick little to-do lists, things like that, right? And just, so on and so forth. Stick it wherever you have. A cool thing that's useful for these, if you have like a computer, maybe there's something you need to do or remember. Maybe you work from home or you don't. Or you could use this at your desk, from home, at work. But you could always make a note here and stick it to the computer monitor, which is something that I always tend to do, right? So you remember, okay, when I get back from lunch, I'm going to do what's on this to-do list. Or before I log in, I need to remember that I need to do 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is a great product. It does what it's worth, what it's intended to do, should I say. And again, you can just make your everyday notes or whatever you want to use it for. But it's a great way to take notes and stick it anywhere.